All right, guys, so I'm going to review how to embed quotes into your writing and give you an example, and then you are going to go ahead and do it with 5 questions over the second marking period. So I just wanted to review when you needed to use a comma, so that we're going to go over this top graphic, which should be in your notebook. So you use a comma when the quote is syntaxically independent from the surrounding text. So when you introduce it, example, Ned said, comma, bring the dire wolf here. So we are using a comma because it is independent from the surrounding text. We do not use any commas, any punctuations, if the quote blends into the surrounding text. Ned said that I should bring the dire wolf here. Okay, so notice that I just said, the first one says Ned said, and then the second one said Ned said that I should. So because it blends in the second example, we do not need punctuation. I do not want you to be looking at the third line. I do not want you using a colon. And you should not be using a quote big enough to use a period. So it's just those two at the top. If it is syntaxically independent, you are saying Chris said, Melinda said, whatever, then you use a comma. If you say Melinda tells Heather to put up the posters tomorrow, then you would not use punctuation because it is surrounding and blending into the text around it. So, to embed quotes. First thing you need to do is read and make sure you understand the question. If you don't understand the question, define words, and then step 2, rewrite the question so you understand it. Answer the question is obviously step number 3, and then you're going to find quotes that support your answer and then put it all together. So the example that I'm going to show you today is, what is Melinda's home life like? So I picked a question that I could apply from the first marking period. I understand, and I do not need to rewrite this question, right? So the third step is to answer the question. So I know Melinda's mom and dad don't get along. I know that her mom is like a workaholic and that they communicate via notes, right? So I'm going to go ahead now and find quotes to support my answer from the first marking period. On page 16, she says, it is where she first is describing it. Mom is pretty good about preparing dinners in the morning. At first, Mom was pretty good at preparing dinners in the morning and sticking them in the fridge, but I knew it would end. Skip a couple of sentences. We communicate with notes on the kitchen counter. I write when I need school supplies or rides in the mall. They write what time they'll be home from work and if I should thaw anything. What else is there to say, right? So their family doesn't communicate. They're not really like real big into family things. So I'm going to use this quote to answer my question. So I'm just going to drag this over here and then answer the question. So Melinda and her family do not communicate well. She describes on page 16 that they communicate with notes on the kitchen counter. All right, so you see that this quote that I embedded blends into the text around it, so I do not have a punctuation. Melinda mentions that I want to write a quote where you would need it. That her mom used to prep dinners and now she doesn't. Melinda says, I write when I need school supplies or a ride to the mall. They write what time they'll be home from work and if I should thaw anything. What else is there to say? All right, so I'm actually going to delete this sentence because I don't like it. So I took a direct quote and now I'm going to talk about it, right? So Melinda says, comma, because it does not blend in. I write when I need school supplies or ride to the mall. They write what time they'll be home from work or if I should thaw anything. What else is there to say? Melinda and her family, or I'm going to say this quote, shows that Melinda and her family do not communicate in person and do the majority of their talking via notes on the kitchen counter. This shows me that her home life, going back to the question, this shows me that her home life is very private and strained. All right, so let me read the question again and then my answer. What is Melinda's home life like? Melinda and her family do not communicate well. She describes on page 16 that they communicate with notes on the kitchen counter. Melinda says, when I write when I need school supplies or ride to the mall. They write what time they'll be home from work and if I should thaw anything. What else is there to say? This quote shows that Melinda and her family do not communicate in person and do the majority of their talking via notes on the kitchen counter. This shows me that her home life is very private and strained. All right, so I answered my question. I embedded 2 quotes. I gave you an example of how to embed a quote without punctuation when it blends in to the surrounding sentence. And I gave you an example of how to embed a quote when it does not blend in and you do need to use a comma. All right. So if you have any questions or anything like that, please just let me know.